In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Spotify Premium. So we can't actually do this inside of the Spotify app. Instead, you need to go to a web browser and cancel it via the Spotify website. So I'm going to open up Chrome here, and I've already got the website open. For those that are curious, it's spotify.com. So once you're on the website, log into your account and click login here once you've entered in your username and password. Once you're inside your Spotify account, scroll down and you should see a section here called Your Plan. If you're on Spotify Premium, you want to click on Change Plan. And then it's going to give you a list of all of the plans available. Now scroll all the way to the bottom here and you should see Spotify Free, which is what we want to change our plan to. And here at the bottom, you'll see a Cancel Premium button. Click on that. It's then going to ask you if you're sure you want to cancel Spotify Premium. Click on Yes, Cancel, and then your Spotify Premium will be cancelled. And that's all you've got to do really. If that helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.